Chainlink has just had a big upgrade. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson announces a new crypto game, and is Bitcoin setting up to be the best buying opportunity right now? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, it's not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol has transitioned into general availability, marking a step forward in enhancing cross-chain connectivity. The protocol enables developers to conduct cross-chain token transfers and smart contract messaging across diverse blockchain networks. According to Sergey Nazarov, co-founder of Chainlink, the general availability of the cross-chain interoperability protocol's mainnet will streamline developers' implementation, thereby strengthening cross-chain connectivity. He said CCIP is now starting to become the standard for both capital markets, blockchain transactions across banks, as well as the way that secure Web3 cross-chain value and data is moved across public chains. Cross-chain bridges play a crucial role in facilitating transactions between distinct blockchain networks and present significant vulnerability points in the crypto landscape. Chainlink stands as one of the prominent entities addressing the issue of cross-chain interoperability, which remains a pressing challenge within the industry. Recently, Chainlink introduced Transporter, a cross-chain messaging application that simplifies cross-chain crypto transfers through an intuitive user interface. Our partners at Ritestream have just announced that their Cryptoknights NFT private sale is live. Cryptoknights is an all-new reality TV series from an Emmy-nominated team where promising Web3 projects pitch their ideas to leading Web3 entrepreneurs and investors, premiering in Q3 2024. Their NFTs grant owners access to token rewards from the 30 projects in the show, and more coming soon. They shared on X key things to remember: connect with your staked wallets. If you didn't whitelist using your staked wallet, make sure you connect directly to the NFT sales portal using your staking wallet to secure your allocation. If you have multiple staked wallets, connect them one at a time and purchase your allocations individually. They will be collecting payment in USDT or USDC on ERC20 or BEP20 network. The minting of the Cryptoknights NFTs will happen after the public sale. And as a bonus and allocation boost, we've rounded up the APY calculation from staking, which essentially gives everyone a slight allocation boost. Auto whitelisting: to streamline the process, we've automatically whitelisted anyone who had staked right tokens. Check out Ritestream's Cryptoknight NFT private sale with the link down below. Bitcoin could be entering into an attractive buy zone, according to two popular metrics used by cryptocurrency analysts to track on-chain trading activity: the market value to realized value, or MVRV, and the open interest weighted funding rate metrics could suggest Bitcoin is at an attractive entry point for traders. Bitcoin's open interest weighted funding rate, which represents the cost of holding Bitcoin future positions, breaching positive territory on April 24th after 24 hours in the negative zone, according to CoinGlass data. Despite the upswing, it is still significantly lower than the 0.07% recorded at the beginning of April, a correction that analysts view as favorable for the market. Checkmate on X added, "One of the healthiest market resets I've seen in a long time. It's similar across on-chain metrics too. Bitcoin looks remarkably solid, to be honest." The higher funding rate signaled increased interest in long trades, reflecting a more bullish sentiment in the market. The last time Bitcoin's open interest weighted funding rate peaked significantly in early March, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $69,200 on the same day. Just a week later, on March 14th, it surpassed that milestone again, climbing to $73,830. Meanwhile, the MVRV indicator, which aims to identify when Bitcoin is over or undervalued relative to its fair value, also suggests that Bitcoin has headed further into favorable buying conditions. At the time of writing, Bitcoin's MVRV score is 2.32, down 6.5% since the start of April. An MVRV score above 3.5 suggests that the market is almost at its peak, where a score below 1 indicates that it has bottomed out. Our partners at Parsiq are making lots of headlines in Web3 infrastructure. We already like their API tools and their querying and data organization features for blockchains, and then they launched their new reactive network with reactive smart contracts. This upgrade to smart contract tech is going to change the game in many areas, including trading. Parsiq's reactive network will make trading on-chain and across chains easier than ever. Current smart contract tech requires other tools like oracles, like Chainlink, to bring info like price feeds into a smart contract for trading. That's because smart contracts can't take info that's off-chain and bring it on-chain. They also can't transfer data that happens on one chain to another one until now. The Reactive Network and Reactive Smart Contracts help most in the area of arbitrage trading. We've all seen this before. A big cap like BNB or ETH or even Bitcoin has different prices on different exchanges. Or sometimes USDC trades for 0.996 cents in one place and 1.05 cents in another. If you could trade these, then you would be making money with no risk by buying and selling the same asset. That's arbitrage. And if we can take price information from one chain or DEX and use it on another, then that's arbitrage as well. And with the reactive smart contracts, you can. In this case, the reactive network and its reactive smart contracts are reacting to an action on one chain like BSC and taking that reaction to initiate a trade on another chain like Avalanche C chain. So check out Parsiq and the reactive network with the link down below. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson surprised crypto Twitter last week when he announced his first game is coming out, alongside a trailer for a game launching on blockchain gaming platform Gala. When a user asked about it, Hoskinson simply replied, "I have 6 companies." With Voyager Ascension out today on Gala's new Gala chain network, now we know a bit more about this particular company and what Hoskinson's involvement is. RFLXT, the company behind the game, said a key strategy for them is approaching the developers of old PC titles and helping introduce them to the Web3 world. This is how Voyager Ascension came to be. Originally launched in 2018 as Overload, the game hailed from some of the creators of old-school classic shooter Descent. Now it's been reworked for the crypto world. Overload is currently available on Steam for $30, with nearly 1,500 very positive reviews. The gameplay looks almost identical to its Web3 counterpart as a fast-paced sci-fi shooter. Voyager Ascension is launching as a purely single-player experience, with a multiplayer mode coming soon. However, Voyager Ascension is releasing for free on Gala Games, with what the team described as a very low price token season pass available. Core goal for the company is interoperability, and as a result, RFLXT believes that its partnership with Gala just made sense, as their mission aligns closely with ours. The team also confirmed that they're working with Cardano Games for the RFLXT platform.